So for DSI, I already mentioned you can refer to Striver's sheets, taking forward Striver's sheets. For design and analysis of algorithms, you can refer to Abdul Bari. For object-oriented programming, I suggest you all to use Java because most of the companies, banks especially, they use Java. So you can refer to Java T-Point. It's a wonderful website. For DBMS, you can refer to W3 Schools for queries. For concepts, you can refer to Code Helps Placement Series. And there's also a book called, so you can refer to that as well. For operating systems, again, you can refer to Code Helps Placement Series. And for computer networks, there's a wonderful book called as Kuros and ROS. So you can refer to that. And as Jasmita ma'am was talking about online aptitudes and how that's the tougher part to crack. So you can refer to India Mix to prepare for OA. And in interviews, am I going too fast? Okay. So for during the interviews, they also ask geeks puzzles to test your problem-solving approach. So you can refer to those puzzles on GFG. And there's a website called as InterviewBit, which has good interview questions based on whatever technology you are referring to, be it Mon, Django, or anything else. So you can refer to InterviewBit for that. Okay. How many of you are a part of any cultural club at college? Technical club at college? And how many of you love playing sports? Okay. So do try to take part in co-curricular activities because these are the places from where you can pick up anecdotes when you are answering questions during your HR interview. Especially based on team collaboration. And apart from this, once you enter a corporate, every company has a different culture. So you don't know if you'll ever get a chance to cherish your hobbies. And try to take up as many opportunities as you can to put yourself out there. This will boost your confidence and refine your public speaking skills. I was asked questions on my public speaking skills in my HR interview. And try to be a part of a club or a peer group which has people with similar goals or interests. I'm a part of a very niche club called as Software Development Section of my college, called as STS. So there we have toppers from second year to final year and really smart people. So I'm a web crawler. I keep going through their GitHub repositories to check who is working on what, if they are working on any new technology, new tech stack, and how I should also be learning it and working on it. So you all should also look up to your friends' GitHub and see what new is being done. One last piece of gyan from my end, that on my first day at Deutsche Bank, where I interned and I have secured a PPO from, I was very nervous because most of my co-interns were from IITs and NITs. So I was not sure if I am as good as them. But by the end of 8 weeks, I realized that when you enter the campus, only till then it's about the college you're studying in. After that, it's all about the skill sets that you have developed. So all of you are also in one of the top 10 engineering colleges in Pune. So you all should be confident and never compare yourself with anyone. And you guys have excellent faculties and professors like Pathilkar sir, Preeti Patil ma'am to always guide you. So that's it. One last final thing from my end. Everything is not about placements. Make friends, travel with them, participate in fest, because यही बातें तो बाद में याद आएंगी. So I'm open to questions if you guys have any.